presenters and partners, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to come join us today. We are so privileged to have them, right?
Yes, and we're starting with a bang to begin our show this evening. A performance from a group that has taken the world by storm.
That's right, they are high energy, a bit like myself and Shona after a couple of espressos, yeah? They are an acrobatic troupe all the way from Mumbai. Do we have anyone from Mumbai in the building? All right, they rose.
We're talking breathtaking stunts, precision with every move, and storytelling.
Please welcome the team that has won hearts around the world. The winners of America's Got Talent, the champions. Make some noise for We Unbeatable!
This is a song, we just gotta be a man so
Wow! Oh, what a tease! I see why they call it a teaser video now. Is that it? All right, now you know what's about to become.
That really was a tease, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was tickled our fancy. That did. What's next?
You heard the song though, so that gives you a clue.
Yeah, that gives you a clue. Right. So to open up this grand evening, please welcome the visionary whose leadership continues to shape the future of real estate. He is a business leader with over 3 decades of professional property management service and property development legacy right here in the UAE. His leadership not only steered the company to massive success, but has also set new standards for innovation and excellence. It is the man behind Dugasta Properties. So ladies and gentlemen, please go wild and give it up for the founder and chairman, Mr. Taseem Khan!
Good evening, Assalamu alaikum, Namaskar, and welcome to the most amazing, the most awaited event of my life, which I wanted to celebrate and share with all of you. And thank you very much to make it grandest, and the biggest. Most of the beautiful, lovely people who have made Dugasta successful, they are none other than all of you. So give a big applause, round of applause to yourself, please. Thank you very much, Dubai. thank you very much everybody to make it Dugasta what it is today. First of all, I must say this, we are in Dubai, we are the most blessed people on this part of the world or on this universe. Because Dubai has given us everything what anybody can dream, and that is all because of our lovely, beautiful, may Allah bless them, may Allah give them the longest possible life. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed and His Excellency Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. They are the rulers, they are the people who have made not only their life comfortable, but our life. Meeting Kapil Paji, it looks like I have found my lost brother actually. Thank you very much, Kapil Paji. When you need something, when you pray for something, when you look for something, when you are in a desired position, when you are in a very bad position, critical situation, when you look for the people, everybody turned their faces away from you, every door is closed on you, every possibility becomes impossibility for you. Then there is a avatar comes from God, from Allah, from Jesus. During the crisis time, COVID time, we have seen everybody was closing their doors, turning their faces away from everybody, confined to their life. There is an angel stood firm and took the challenge to help people. And he is none other than our brand ambassador, Mr. Sonu Sood. Thank you very much, Sonu Sood. You are the greatest inspiration for the people, how to stand up when critical situations come, how to support people, how to take blessings from the people. You are the most handsome, I must say this thing. You are the most handsome, the most beautiful, the most good-looking actor in the Bollywood has ever produced. So thank you very much. Very soon you will see this most charming face on this stage, inshallah. And thereafter, my dream, my ambition to bring Dugasta to the next level, to do the most professional, structurally managed company, the most organized company. So definitely I'm lacking a lot of things which is making me to run for so many things. As you know, I started everything.
And dear family, it is an honor to stand here before you today as we celebrate the launch of Tenfinity. Not just a milestone in our amazing journey, as we've heard, but truly it's the beginning of something transformative, our philanthropic foundation. Before we look ahead to the future, let us express our gratitude to this great nation, the United Arab Emirates, a nation built on vision, generosity, and phenomenal leadership. We are profoundly thankful to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi, for his wisdom, his compassion, and to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister, and ruler of Dubai. A beacon of innovation and excellence as leadership we have. It is within this spirit that at Dugasta today we have found both inspiration.
Everyone here is good looking tonight. It's Mr. Sonu Sood.
Dugasta Properties Vision 10 on 10, a first in doing and the first ever in real estate history. An unmatched opportunity, apartments starting at 500,000 dirhams, 10% net ROI for 10 years, exclusive 10-year post-handover plan, and no service charges. At Dugasta, every deal is a 10 on 10.
Please welcome once again the inspiring Mr. Sanu Sood.
How are you doing? बस इतना यहाँ पर एनर्जी होना चाहिए कि जब यहाँ पे आवाज आप बोले वो पूरे देश में सुननी चाहिए. पता चलना चाहिए कि दुगास्ता की this is a 10-on-10 evening. Now that's happening.
Hello everyone. So, Mr. Sonu, you've inspired millions with your journey. What made you believe in Dugasta's vision when you first heard about it?
When I first met the Dugasta team, what stood out to me was sincerity. There was no overselling, no big promises, and the vision was very, very clear. So I think that was very, I was thoroughly impressed. I'm into real estate. I've grown up. That's in my DNA. But when I heard about the 10-on-10, immediately I felt that it wasn't just a business model. It was a vision, it was a commitment to the people, and I've always believed that integrity is the foundation of anything. And Dugasta is one word, one name that I can vouch that there can't be anything better than Dugasta. And the passion that I saw in both of you, Azan and Ifad, I can promise you, Tausif bhai, आप कमाल की प्रॉपर्टीज बनाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि जब फाउंडेशन इतनी कमाल की हो तो जो बिल्डिंग्स बनती हैं ये अज़ान और इफ़ात जैसी बनती हैं, बहुत ऊंची. जब हम इनकी एज के थे, we never actually knew anything. I wish that in today's generation we should have someone, a visionary like Tausif bhai and Bhabhi of course, and then we have these brilliant leaders like Azan and Ifad who are actually teaching everyone how the business has to be done, how you live for others, how you plan things for others. Most of the people when they invest in real estate, sometimes they are clueless, but when a visionary plans a map, a road map, which is a win-win situation